Do you crave bold, exciting flavors but worry about the calorie count? If you're someone who loves to eat but wants to keep things light and healthy, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the world of low-calorie meal hacks, where taste and nutrition go hand in hand. Imagine enjoying meals that are bursting with flavor, color, and freshness, all while keeping your calorie intake in check. Sounds too good to be true? Stick around because I'm about to reveal some secret ingredients and clever tricks that will transform your everyday dishes into mouth-watering, guilt-free delights. Let's face it, eating healthy can sometimes feel like a chore, especially when you're stuck with bland, uninspired meals. We've all been there, staring at a plate of plain chicken or a sad salad wishing for something more exciting. But what if I told you that you don't have to settle for boring, tasteless food just to stay on track with your health goals? There's a whole world of flavor out there, waiting to be discovered, and it doesn't have to come with a side of extra calories. Get ready to upgrade your meals with a few simple, sneaky tricks that chefs and home cooks alike swear by. These hacks are all about maximizing flavor while minimizing calories, so you can enjoy every bite without the guilt. Whether you're cooking for yourself, your family, or friends, these tips will help you create dishes that are as delicious as they are nutritious. Let's kick things off with our first secret ingredient, lemon zest. This tiny addition packs a huge punch. Just a sprinkle of freshly grated lemon zest can completely transform a dish. Try it on salads, roasted vegetables, grilled chicken, or even pasta. The bright citrusy aroma wakes up your taste buds and adds a burst of freshness, all for almost 0 calories. It's a simple way to make your meals feel gourmet without any extra effort or guilt. Next up, let's talk about smoked paprika. If you love that deep smoky flavor you get from barbecue or roasted dishes, this spice is your new best friend. Just a dash of smoked paprika can give soups, stews, and roasted veggies a rich, complex taste that feels indulgent, but adds hardly any calories. It's a fantastic way to add depth and warmth to your meals, making them feel hearty and satisfying without the need for heavy sauces or extra fats. Our third secret weapon is Greek yogurt. This creamy, tangy ingredient is a game changer for anyone looking to lighten up their meals. Swap it in for sour cream or mayonnaise in dips, dressings, or even on baked potatoes. You'll get all the richness and creaminess you crave, but with a fraction of the calories and a boost of protein. Greek yogurt is also incredibly versatile. Use it in smoothies, marinades, or as a base for healthy desserts. It's a must-have in any low-calorie kitchen. Number 4 on our list is fresh herbs. Think cilantro, basil, mint, parsley, or dill. These vibrant greens are packed with flavor and aroma, and they can completely change the character of a dish. Chop them up and sprinkle them over salads, soups, grilled meats, or even sandwiches. Not only do they add a pop of color and freshness, but they do it all without adding any significant calories. Fresh herbs are a simple, affordable way to elevate your cooking and make every meal feel special. Last but definitely not least, let's talk about mustard. This humble condiment is a powerhouse when it comes to adding flavor without calories. Use it to give your salad dressings a tangy kick, add depth to marinades, or spread it on sandwiches for an extra punch. Mustard comes in so many varieties: Dijon, whole grain, spicy brown, so you can experiment and find your favorite. It's a simple way to make your meals more exciting, all while keeping things light. So, there you have it, 5 secret ingredients that will help you create low-calorie meals that are anything but boring. With just a few tweaks and a little creativity, you can enjoy dishes that are full of flavor, texture, and color, all while supporting your health and wellness goals. Imagine sitting down to a meal that looks and tastes amazing, knowing that you're nourishing your body and treating your taste buds at the same time. Eating lighter doesn't mean sacrificing enjoyment or satisfaction. In fact, with these hacks, you might find yourself looking forward to mealtime more than ever. Share these tips with your friends and family and turn every meal into a celebration of good food and good health. Who knew that eating lighter could taste this good? The secret is out, and now it's your turn to enjoy the benefits. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more kitchen hacks, healthy recipes, and flavor-packed ideas. Let's make healthy eating fun, delicious, and totally doable, one meal at a time. Thanks for watching and happy cooking.